Welcome to SS Engineers and Consultants. Today we are going to discuss about Aluminium Pots Washing Machine.
In the fast-paced world of pot and utensil manufacturing, efficiency is everything. However, traditional post-production cleaning can be a major bottleneck, slowing down your entire operation.
This manual cleaning takes forever. We need a faster, more efficient way to get these pots ready for market.
Introducing the SS Engineers solution. This fully automated system cleans and dries your finished products with unmatched speed and precision.
Built to handle high-volume production, this 24-meter powerhouse seamlessly integrates with your existing processes, from water supply and filtration to waste disposal.
The cleaning powerhouse focuses on the 6-stage hot water washing system. Powerful jets spray at different angles, effortlessly removing polishing residue and contaminants.
6 meticulously designed stages, powered by inbuilt gas burners and a PLC-driven system, tackle even the toughest residues. Hot water blasts away impurities, leaving your pots and utensils flawlessly clean and ready for the next step.
2 dedicated hot air drying stages ensure your products are completely bone dry.
Proper drying efficiency can be achieved. The surface of pots are free from liquid or chemical traces.
The SS Engineers and Consultants Aluminum Pot Cleaning Machine is more than just a cleaning system, it's a productivity revolution.
Take control of your manufacturing process with the SS Engineers and Consultants Aluminum Pot Cleaning Machine. Contact us today for a free consultation and see how this innovative solution can transform your business.
Thank you for watching. If you find yourself captivated by the idea of establishing such a marvel of a machine, we warmly invite you to get in touch with us. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.